Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. On a little bit of a different area today. On the Williamsburg Bridge. I'm on my way to the spring summer, oh god, can you even hear me? The spring summer 2019 Virgil Abloh Louis Vuitton exhibit in New York. So I'm taking you guys along with me.
Everybody outside when I pull up outside all night though.
Okay, meeting the goons. Oh, I see her. Hi, friends. We're here getting a little pre-coffee at the Elk. Hey, Katie. Oh, looking back on the channel.
I'm like back in New York now and I'm like, fuck this. You have to bleep that out, probably.
It's okay, like 10 people watch it.
Cheers.
Okay, guys, we're on our way to the exhibit or
Oh my
presentation. What?
Nothing.
But yeah, so we're on our way. I am always exposing her. But yeah, are you excited? I'm excited to see what it's like. I saw
Honestly,
like the
I'm
one.
not that excited because I don't like to see other people.
I'm kind of excited. I saw the presentation they did in London and it looked really cool. So I'm hoping this one's like just as cool or cooler. You got the cooler stuff here in New York. I feel like London probably gets the cooler
I love
stuff.
London.
But yeah, so we're on our way. We'll take you guys with us. It is really cold out
Oh
here.
my god.
Okay, we're struggling. We'll see you guys in a minute. It's a really cool space. Got to cut the line because we're VIPs.
My future husband's gonna buy me that.
So you guys are on, I'll let you do your thing, okay? You guys are
Oh, these shoes are.
I mean, this is Virgil's favorite shoe from the whole entire collection. These walk the runway. I think this reminds me of like an old like Sean Carter S. Dodd, maybe Saucony, you know, in the feel of it, but it's
Yeah.
luxe. It's very luxury.
Wait, can I feel them?
Yeah.
See how heavy they are? Oh my god, this. Oh my god.
So cute. It was made for you.
Like, look at that.
Wow.
I'm really obsessed with this. Like, and this whole like, kind of like the plastic and the leather is sort of. It's actually like really matching my outfit too. Guys, this is the bag I want. This soft leather is freaking amazing. They have it in white too, but he said they sold out of the white one. Ugh. Obsessed.
Even this piece here,
Oh my.
these pieces are part of the collaboration. I believe this is painting, this is for sale as well.
Alright, how much is that one? Is that one of a kind too?
Hey, it's one of a kind. I don't know, I think it's around 60.
What kind of like, what material is
Isn't it
that?
sick though?
Yeah. Oh, it's that you have all like the comb heart
Yeah.
logo. Raya went to go look and see how much the flowers cost.
It's probably the only thing I can really get here.
Oh, they're not for sale. Oh, why you gotta like do that to us? You gotta.
I know, I got her so excited.
Yeah, sorry, Raya.
Picture of the new Timothy Chalamet is here. So chic.
Maybe white too.
I want everything.
No.
I think I found my next purchase. Louis Vuitton. Oh wait, I can't even get it open. Wireless headphones. Holy crap. I really cannot even believe this right now. Oh my god, this bag. This one's like hard too. The other ones are soft leather, but this one's like, oh my gosh. And with this leather strap. What is happening? I actually like this one better than.
Faraway dream, guys.
It really is.
Oh yeah. Relatable.
What does it
Take
look like
that,
inside? Relatable. How does it look like inside? Oh,
I never thought in my life I would be jealous of a mannequin, but I am.
that was it for us, guys. That was cool, though. We feel so poor right now, but it's okay. We have each other. We have each other to walk out empty-handed.
Shit, shut up. Goddamn, fellow.
All night I've been drinking, all night I've been drinking, all night I've been drinking, all night I've been drinking,